Guangdong Futuer Machinery Co Limited has a management team with 26 years of experience in the field of continuous metal casting. It is China's professional enterprises, a comprehensive industrial and trade enterprise, and a national high-tech enterprise. It has obtained many patents. Future is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province, with a plant area of 6,000 square meters. The production line equipment is self-produced and has independent research and development capabilities. Future has a variety of new processing equipment. The company has always been an important indicator of the production of innovative, efficient energy-saving, and mechanically safe machinery and equipment. According to customer needs, we provide professional and complete production design solutions, from factory resource allocation to machinery procurement and installation, equipment production and use videos, and professional tracking after-sales service team, which can provide you with long-term professional engineering and technical personnel, perform overseas installation and commissioning. Future has been exploring the international market for many years and has 12 years of experience in foreign trade export. So far, our equipment has been sold all over the world. With its superb technology and guaranteed after-sales service, the main sales countries include Africa, South America, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and other regions recognized by our customers. Future's mission is to make the world have no casting products that are difficult to produce, and let us create our own future.